Listening Practice, Audio CD 2, Track 51, Part A, Sequencing.
Conversation A. Dan visits Kaohsiung for the first time. How can I help you, sir?
My wife and I want to tour the city tomorrow. Could you please arrange an itinerary for us?
Certainly. I suggest you visit the Love River.
Sounds great. Can we take a boat ride?
Of course. You can buy tickets at our tours counter. You might also want to check out the Dream Mall.
Why's that?
Well, it's the largest mall in Taiwan, and there's a Ferris wheel you can take.
I don't think so. I'm afraid of heights. But I do want to do a little shopping while I'm in town.
If you'd like, we can arrange for a tour guide. He can take you anywhere you want to go and show you the best of the city.
Okay, let me talk to my wife first.